My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Smart for 4. This vehicle has done just under 6,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we can see that we have radio and media as a feature, as well as phone and connect. And if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Despite being such a compact car, it is a 5-door. And as we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, as well as 2 separate sunroofs. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.